Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to check your processor information as well as your RAM, how much RAM you have installed, what type of RAM it is, and just other hardware and information that is applicable to your device. So this should be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search magnifying glass down in the taskbar and type in system information. Best result should come back with system information. Go ahead and open that up. And at this point over here on the right, you should have a bunch of information here. You have processor information. And if you go down, you can see how much RAM you have installed as well, virtual RAM, paging file size. And if you expand the resources over here on the left, you can see further information. So again, pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.